Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make the most refreshing natural fruit juice. Now we'll be needing some watermelon and we'll proceed to wash it. The hole in the watermelon is an indication of me trying to see if it is red and sweet before purchasing. After that, we are going to slice and chop our watermelon into smaller chunks. This is because we'll be using a blender instead of a juicer. If you have a juicer, please, you can use it. Watermelon has a lot of benefits to the human body, such as hydrating the human body. It helps a lot with hydration and goes as far as to help with digestion. Equally helps with weight management, and this is as a result of the low calorie which it contains. Also, for your very refreshing drinks which are natural, watermelon plays a vital role in it. So after slicing or chopping our watermelon, this is what we have, and we are going to proceed to blend it with no water. The reason why we are blending watermelon with no water is, as I earlier mentioned, it keeps the human body hydrated. This is because it contains a sufficient amount of water, and will equally be blending it alongside its seeds. Now close your blender or cover your blender and then blend it until you get a fine pulp. Once everything is smoothly blended, we are going to strain. If you have a cheesecloth, you can use it. However, if you don't have it, you can use this kind of strainer which has very little holes. Proceed to get a spoon and mix until you are able to separate your watermelon pulp from your watermelon juice. This is our watermelon juice, and this particular watermelon was so sweet. This is the pulp we have. You can either discard it or add to your bathing scrub. So this is the watermelon juice, void of sugar or any sweetener, void of water, and we are just going to transfer into a jar and let it chill. You can equally add some ice blocks and just proceed to have this either in the morning, afternoon, or in the evening, or you can have it anytime you want. This is actually very low in calories and it is extremely refreshing. So over to you. This is a fine glass of very fresh watermelon juice. The second refreshing drink on our list here is pineapple juice or pineapple drink. We are going to proceed to wash our pineapple, peel its skin and slice into smaller bits. Pineapple has a lot of benefits, not only to the human skin but the human health as a whole. Now, before you consume this drink, make sure you speak to your doctor. I am not a doctor. That is a quick disclaimer. Pineapples may aid in digestion and equally promote gut health. This is due to the promotion of regular bowel movements. It may help boost immunity as well as aid digestion. Equally, it contains vitamin B and is packed with a lot of antioxidants. Equally contains properties which will help in injury healing, has a lot of fiber properties, and equally helps fight against cardiovascular health problems. Pineapple serves as a natural sweetener and its peelings is used to produce very fine drinks such as folere, which is one of the many healthy local Cameroonian drinks, which is a combination of folere leaves or sorrel leaves and pineapple peelings. Now this is our chopped pineapple and we are going to proceed to blend this using our blender. If you have a juicer, that is very much okay. So we are going to add our pineapples to our blender and add very minimal water. This is so that we do not have a watery consistency. After blending, we are going to proceed to strain. If you have a cheesecloth, you can use it. So we are going to strain to separate the pineapple juice from its pulp. However, if you love your pineapple with its pulp, you can have it that way. In most cases, it is used like this to make some pineapple drinks, and this is what we finally have: a clear glass of sweet pineapple drink. You can just put this in the fridge and it is very much okay. One thing I love about pineapple is because if you freeze it, it is still going to come out nice, unlike watermelon. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.